Yeah, this is long overdue, part 29 of the Ford F100 truck project. I'm interested in the style side bed for this thing to keep it original, but this pretty much I got the original bed in three pieces with the tailgate, and it's as you can see, it's complete and total rubbish. I mean, it's not feasible to put the hours into this to bring this back. I mean, you know what I mean? I think I'd probably wear the MIG out doing patches. So anyway, I have a plan to remake all the quarters in this, and remake pretty much all the panels. I'll just actually the truck's just here. I'll show you this one. I've just mocked this up. That's the obviously the right side, and you can see that the welding and all the rest of it. It's got big holes in it, and it's all chewed out. So, but it's complete rubbish. So it needs to be all pretty much thrown away and start again. Anyway, what I'll do is this. But I plan on making this bed out of completely new metal. I've got some new wheel tubs down the back. I'll remake the quarters, top and bottom. Lucky enough, I bought these some time ago. These are a Dynacorn piece for the 64-66 style bed, and that's the stake bed corner. So there we go, there's the Dynacorn stamp on it. So anyway, so pretty much the bed's going to be remade, all new metal, and should be pretty good. To find the original one of these is just, in Australia it's just off the charts, and the plan is to make one, and I've actually started that. These are the front panels I've fabricated up so far. I've pretty much put this spar in here to try and get some sort of alignment that the quarter might have, and this thing, it's I've just shaped it some on the stump, and that's pretty much my replacement panel for the front. So I suppose officially this is the start of the bed rebuild. I've done the outer edge at the moment. I use the outside edge of the door to take the shape for the panel, and give it some shape on the blocking stump, and as this panel is completely fried, I pretty much got to wing it through Google Images. So I'm just gonna keep going with the pattern making and all the rest of it. But this is a start. Get the front panels happening. There's a left one I've made. That's just like a light zinc aluminum panel I did to start with, and there are a couple of patterns I've made. As they're the original dimples that this thing's got. I think they're assembly dimples for the when these things go together at the factory. I think they go into a fixture and they get aligned up, and the Ford line workers come put it all together. So anyway, but as you can see, these things are totally screwed, and I've got a plan to make the rest of it. That'll be interesting. Never done that before, but anyway, I reckon I can wheel the top panel out pretty easy. The bottom panel, well, that's going to take some work. I may have to make some sort of puck or something like that to hand form that wheel arch around for the bottom. But anyway, it's boing. Yeah. So anyway, as you can see, it's ugly. It's damaged, but yeah, I'll remake this this shape in the guard. All the rest of it is just simple wheeling. There's a heap of steel lined up, ready to go. All the 1.2, and I think I've got 1.6 for the heavier frame sections, and zinc aluminum for the pattern making. But anyway, yeah, that's it. Truck project's on the move again. I'm going to stop restoring bikes for a while and get stuck into this, and it should be quite interesting. So yeah, I'll leave it there for now. But that's what's happening. Truck bed's going to get made. Be nice if it happened quick, but anyway, I'll do my best. Summer here now, so I've got plenty of long days and nice weather. We'll see what happens, but yeah, that's it. First panel done for the truck bed rebuild. Anyway, I'll leave it there. Cheers.